So guys, this is present of course. Tester naman natin tong TISA sa 2011 Commander size na high capacity. Yan guys. Double stack 1911. Firing.
Okay.
Yun guys, upon firing TISA sa 4 inches double stack 1911. Well, of course, sanay tayo sa 1911 and of course, in my opinion, ang ganda niya, double stack pa siya, diba, yung isip. So ang ganda, yung may 1911 feel ka na double yung capacity. So, saan ka pa guys? Ang ganda pa siya. Napaka-solid. Of course, alam naman natin, Turkey makes a reliable and okay gun. So, yun guys, if you're planning to acquire a 1911 Commander size, you can't go wrong sa TISAs. Yan, ang ganda niya. You can consider this. So, yun lang guys. Press check TISA sa 1911 double stack. Let's go.